We are working it with Andy Challenger of Challenger Gray and Christmas. So much to talk about today, Andy. First off, what's going on with job hunters and relocating for work?
Yeah, well, in our most recent survey of job seekers that we tracked landing new jobs over the last quarter, we found that only 2.8% of them relocated for those new roles. That is the lowest quarterly average that we've seen since we started recording these numbers. Clearly, Americans are able to find jobs in the areas where they live, or they're able to find remote work that doesn't require them to move.
Why do you think Americans are staying put versus relocating for a job?
Yeah, there are several reasons why so few Americans have had to relocate for new jobs over the last quarter. It's been a very strong labor market. There's been more job opportunities available than almost at any point in American history. People have been able to find positions in the local areas that they live. We've also seen that it's been a period of very high quits, the highest quits rates the country's seen. A lot of people are leaving and moving jobs voluntarily, and they're often picking ones that are better for their lives, and that means not uprooting their lives or their families to move to another location. And then we've also seen a rise in remote work. There's just more jobs that people are able to do anywhere in the country, and Americans are clearly taking advantage of that.
More uproar is coming from the tech industry. Google and Facebook execs are warning workers to step it up and threatening that slackers will be let go. Ouch. What do you think about these warnings?
Yeah, while the labor market's been strong for quite a while, there are some signs of weakness, particularly in tech. We've seen a number of big tech firms announce that they're slowing down their hiring, they're implementing hiring freezes, maybe even retracting offers in some cases. And along with that is coming some raised expectations of employees. They're asking them to come back into the office, they're increasing their qualifications, and in some case, that's creating some tension, and people are leaving. In some cases, that might be what the company wants.
And we have to talk about this. The number of job openings is on the way down.
Yeah, while there's plenty of evidence that the overall economy is slowing, it's been hard to find serious data showing that the labor market has been affected. Yet this most recent JOLTS report that saw job openings fall to 10.7 million, far fewer than we saw just a few weeks prior, is a sign that there may be some weakening in the labor market, and we might see some further contraction if and when the Fed continues to raise their interest rates.
Thank you, Andy, for that work roundup.
Thanks for having me on.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.